Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here with the ukulele that I own. This is the Lanikai LU-21C. The C stands for a concert size, so it has 18 frets total. And it's a really great beginner ukulele that costs under $100, and it usually comes with a lot of accessories as well. Their LU-21 models do come in the other three sizes, the soprano, the slightly smaller one, and the bigger one, the tenor size, but I find that the concert size is a perfect right in the middle size, as with Goldilocks would probably say. So with the concert size, you still get that portability that you would want with a ukulele, but without sacrificing the proper resonance that you would have in a tenor. So let's go ahead and take a look at what makes this such a great beginner ukulele. So in terms of build quality and design, there isn't really much of a looker here. This is a very plain look, no etched designs, just a Lanikai logo at the headstock. It's still very well built, no uneven seams or cracks to be seen. Its total length is about 26.5 inches long, so it's very portable. As much as I love my acoustic guitar, this ukulele definitely takes up a lot less space, with the exception to my traveler guitar. But that's a whole separate other video. In terms of materials, the body and headstock are both made out of NATO, which is a less expensive version of mahogany, and the fingerboard and bridge are both made out of rosewood, and it is pre-strung with Aquila Nowgut strings, and the tuning machines are these die-cast chrome tuners, and all around the body of this instrument is this white binding. As for playability and sound, I found my particular ukulele stayed in tune very well. If yours doesn't, just give it a couple weeks for the strings to break in as usual. I do have a quick tip if you want it to break in a little faster. Just gently stretch the strings like so. Then soon the string should stay in tune. If not, just get it exchanged. There's definitely ones that will stay in tune. I think it definitely has good sound for the price, though it definitely lacks the resonance of more expensive woods. You can hear that in particular when you are finger picking, and the high notes have a much thinner sound. So here I am playing the intro to My Guitar Gently Weeps, arranged by Jake Shimabukuro. Now I'm still kind of a beginner, so I apologize for my mistakes, but as you can see, the higher notes definitely are more noticeable in having a thinner sound, and then for strumming, the sound quality is a little bit less differentiable. So this is pretty much the whole overview of this ukulele. Nowhere on this instrument is a place to attach a strap. If you wanted to attach one, you will have to drill a hole yourself. But in conclusion, I think this is a great value for a beginner. As I mentioned earlier, it does usually come with a bunch of accessories. Mine came with this padded fabric case, a tuner, and an extra set of strings. And I got this whole package for around $90. They're usually cheaper online, so I'll put a link in the description where you can buy this off Amazon. And because Amazon has a great return policy, if yours doesn't work out, just exchange it for another one. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.